This is how you get additional health points once you achieve the 10,000 steps. First, tap on the Healthy 365 apps. Once you have achieved your 10,000 steps for the day, you'll notice that there is a parcel at the top left hand corner that is currently moving. Tap on that. And they will say that you have one chance of earning additional health points. So tap on Play Now. So for Tap and Win, you can choose between the 4 mystery boxes, 1, 2, 3 and 4.
Let's tap on a box.
Once you tap on a box that doesn't win, it will display this message. So we can try again tomorrow once we hit our 10,000 steps.
Congratulations! You have won 5 health points. So besides the health points, here are other prizes that you may win.